Hello, fans. So we just got kid back from the shop. Um, they set up a lot of my for the door poppers and the trunk popper and the power windows. They set up a bunch of new cable and stuff. And as usual, the rust on the top is not fixed yet. So I still got to find somebody that can do this job. I haven't been able to. Since we're going to a car meet tomorrow, today I'm gonna concentrate on putting seat covers. And I can't find anybody that will real post with this for a decent price. Everybody wants like 2 grand for it to do just the seats. You know, that's 1/3 of the cost of the car. No, 1/3. 1/4 the cost of the car when I bought it. Anyway, so we're gonna do that today. We're also gonna put back the tail light cover, and we get it ready for the show tomorrow. All right, so we finished with the installation. Taking out the seats wasn't that hard. They recommend taking them out so it will be for an easy installation. I think they came out pretty good. This is made for the 82-02 Firebird Transcend with the bench cover seat. So it doesn't, it's not that bad. So it looks pretty good. You know what I mean? It's gonna have to do until I actually um, can afford to have the original seat reupholstered, but this will do. And I can always just put a black circle here, you know, like they had a black mesh anyway here to cover the driver for the blind side car anyway. But it looks pretty good. Oh, I forgot, I gotta put this back on. So far the car is back. They fixed the issues that they created. I see the kid is talking. So as you can see, it opens the door by itself, which is pretty cool. And the seats are pretty decent. It's not that bad. This was very easy to put in. The instructions are clear. And I see they cracked my surveillance. Gonna see if I can ask Gio if he can send me another one. Or I can have my son 3D print that one for me. So very nice. They actually replaced the thing that they missed with I think it's the same one or a better one. I don't remember. It's been a while that I haven't had my car since October last year. Still talks. I can be of some help. Yep. Okay. So we gotta make sure that the thing is up a little higher. So once you close the hood, you won't see it. Perhaps I can be of some help. So it's working great, man. This heat is tremendous. The police will find something. All right, let's shut it down. But I miss this car. I think the next thing to do is again finally find somebody that can fix that rust and to switch out gears, because again it has a 350 with a little cam, maybe 320 horsepower, maybe, because the engine that was there, I think it was a max, it was rated like a 220. So I'll be lucky if I can get with the cam they put on a while ago. It's maybe like I said 320 with the work they did on the heads and all that. Anyway, the long two headers and all that. So I'm gonna go. It still has the original 273. So down the road I'm gonna put 373 gears on it. But the car is looking good with a section of that rust on the top, and it's gonna be ready for the Cars and Coffee in Norfolk at the Janet Shopping Center at the parking lot of Pizzeria Uno's. Alright, that's all for right now. Hopefully you guys like it. I'll update you in more stuff that I do to the car later. Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna take Kid back to Cars and Coffee. This is actually the welcome back video for Kit. We got the car back the other day, and I tell you, Star Motors collision, this is just wet. Star Motors collision did an awesome job on the car, removing the rust. They actually have to redo all the channels and put new rubber and redo everything else. Not only did they do the rubber there, they also put the rain guards on the T-top, so they went above and beyond. They put a new rubber in here because when they took the windshield out, it broke, so they had to put a new windshield in. So Key got a new windshield. So it was not bad. It was like $3,200 just to get all that rust removed, and they have to fabricate all this part and all that so far. But I'm telling you, Kid sounds really good. I miss this car. I still got to fix the dashboard. I'm not gonna mention the name of the first shop that ruined it, but I don't know why they disconnected. So after the car season is over and I get some time off from work, I will take the dash apart and redo it again and make sure that everything is good to go, and we hook it all back together. Like I have these seat covers because Real Pulses, the seats were astronomically expensive, so until I learn how to do it myself, I'm not gonna Real Pulses the seats. And that's Michael Knight cutout that my wife got me for the car show, so that's gonna be fun. It is hazy. All right.